What's going on, guys? In this tutorial I want to continue with where we left from the previous session of the animation tutorial. So let's go ahead and open our projects folder and in the file. Okay, and in this tutorial I've designed something like this, and I'm actually not going to touch on it again. So I would want you to actually try and then design something like this. It's actually a gameplay. So let's go ahead and then design whatever thing we want to do for today. Okay, I want to duplicate this one, that is Ctrl plus D, to have two of them. Okay, now let's do a very quick PowerPoint slide. So I want to go ahead and then select this one over here. Okay, so when I select it, I'm going to fill the entire space with it, which is like this. Yeah, something like this is okay. I want to fill it with this one and remove the borders. Okay, kind of the outline, I mean. All right, so I want to, okay, let me delete this one and duplicate this one instead. Okay, you can see that I have three of this same material over here, so I just want to change the colors of these ones. So when I select this one, I can come to format and fill it with something else. Maybe this will do. Let me select this one also. This should do. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to apply some text on top of these particular slides. Okay, so let me go ahead and select this one here and give it a heading over here, and I want to call this introduction to PowerPoint animations. Okay, and let me change this guy here to white and bolden it, increase the font size and push it to the center. Okay, something like this. It's not really bad. Or probably maybe we have to forget about the idea of writing a whole bunch of text. Okay, so let's try and then put something really cool over there. So I want to select this one and select this particular object over here. Okay, and use this one. So let me push it here to maybe somewhere in the middle, move the outline and then put some text in here. So I want to say animations. Oops, what did I do? Animations. Okay, so I want to drag these animations over here. So let me change this color here to white. Okay, and make it bold like that. So so sorry about that. What I want to do is I want to group these two elements. So Ctrl plus G is going to group them. So I want to copy everything over here and put it on this one. Okay, so let's change this one here to questions, like that. I don't know how to type, actually, forgive me. So let's copy this one once again to this one over here. Oh, so sorry about that. It's annoying. My guys are making noise over here. I'm so sorry. They don't have any idea I'm recording this video. So let's go ahead and then do something like let's see. Let me put my phone number over here. 0546. I don't even know how to type this one. Okay, that's cool. So the next thing I want to do over here is to try and then group each of the elements. I have this object. You can see that this and this are now one object. Okay, so I want to put this object here and then this object here together. So group this, Control G. I want to group this one and this one here, Control G, and the same thing applies to this one, Control G. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is I want to stack them. Okay, I want to keep one on top of the other, so get them stacked. Okay, bro, not ready too much. So let me just cut this one, Control and then X. What happened? I didn't group them. Control and G should give me everything good. Oops, what am I even doing? So I want to go ahead and then cut everything I have over here and then put them on top of each other. So I want to go ahead and select this one here and cut and then paste it on this one. That is Control and V. That is going to be on top of this one. Okay, so kind of you don't see what's behind it. So let me push it here a bit so you can see that there's something over here. I want to select this one also and cut it, put it on top of this one here. Okay, so we can see that there's something actually over here. Okay, all right. So the next thing I want to do is I want to use the zoom option because it looks like this place is full. Okay, so let me use the zoom option to reduce it like that. Okay, so let's select everything and then drag it back, and you can see that yeah, we have something like this right now. So the next thing I want to do is to apply animations to it. So let me select this. I mean the last one, of course. So let me zoom in to select the last one. Yeah, I think I've selected the last one over here. So let me add this line animation to it. Okay, good. I want to change this one to the right like that. Okay, so what I want to do is I want it to be able to animate up to this particular point. So I'll select this one here and drag this one here to this place. Yeah, and that is really cool. The next thing I'm going to do is to paint or copy the animation of this one and apply it to the next one. So this is what I'm going to do. Let me select this one right here. That is the one at the back. Good. Let me select it and apply it to the second one. That's the yellow one. Okay. And when I'm done, I'm going to paint it and then apply it to the last one, of course. Yes, so this is what I want to achieve. Okay, so what I want to do now is to enter the slideshow mode. So I want to delete this and then this guy. So let's forget about this one. I'll show you how this one works in a jiffy. So let me go here and you can see that I have all of my slides stacked on top of each other over here. So you just, we are using on click events. So when you click something like that, and you can see that this one comes. So animations, click again and this one comes like that. You click again and this one also pops out like that. Very nice. Okay, so you can be creative by putting the titles over here. You can just modify it as how you want it. So let's move to the last thing that I did, of which I'm not going to show you, and I'm expecting you to be able to do it with your skills. Okay, I just want to shoot and you can see the bullet comes out. Shoot again, the bullet comes out. Shoot again, bullet comes out. And it's very funny. I shoot again, the bullet comes out. So thank you very much. Let's meet in the next tutorial. Thank you.